2026 Honda Legend pickup. This is the name that's starting to create serious buzz across the United States auto market. And today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this unexpected yet exciting addition to Honda's lineup. From design to performance, features to pricing, this is the complete breakdown. Now, first things first, the 2026 Honda Legend pickup is not just another truck. Honda is known for reliability, comfort, and innovation, but stepping into the pickup segment with the Legend name signals something bigger. This vehicle blends luxury sedan DNA with rugged utility, targeting buyers who want both performance and premium feel in one package. Let's talk about the exterior design. The 2026 Legend pickup carries a bold and modern look. Up front, you get a wide chrome-accented grille paired with sharp LED headlights that give it a confident road presence. The body lines are clean yet muscular, giving it a strong stance without looking overly aggressive. The truck bed is designed with practicality in mind. Durable materials, smart storage compartments, and optional power tailgate functionality. Moving to the side profile, the alloy wheels, expected in 18 to 20 inches depending on trim, add a sporty touch. You'll also notice aerodynamic shaping, which helps improve fuel efficiency, something not all pickups focus on. At the rear, LED tail lamps and a refined tailgate design keep the premium feel consistent. Inside the cabin is where the 2026 Honda Legend pickup truly separates itself. Honda is aiming for a luxury experience here. Expect high-quality materials like leather upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and brushed aluminum accents. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system, likely around 12 inches, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster, giving the driver customizable information. Comfort is a priority with heated and ventilated seats, dual zone or even tri-zone climate control, and plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers. This is not just a work truck. It's built for everyday driving and long road trips. Now let's get into performance. The 2026 Honda Legend pickup is expected to come with multiple engine options. The base model could feature a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 250 horsepower. For those who want more power, a V6 hybrid setup is rumored, potentially pushing output beyond 300 horsepower while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Honda's advanced all-wheel drive system will likely be standard or optional depending on the trim. This ensures strong performance in different driving conditions. Whether you're on highways, city roads, or light off-road terrain, the ride quality is expected to be smooth, thanks to Honda's focus on suspension tuning. Towing capacity is another key factor. Early expectations suggest the Legend pickup could handle between 5,000 to 7,000 pounds, making it competitive for mid-size pickup buyers in the U.S. Safety is, as always, a major focus for Honda. The 2026 Legend pickup will likely come equipped with the latest Honda Sensing Suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features are designed to make driving safer and more convenient. Now let's talk about models and trims. The 2026 Honda Legend pickup is expected to come in multiple trims, possibly starting with a base LX, then moving up to Sport, EXL, and a top-tier Touring or Elite model. Each trim will add more features, better materials, and advanced technology. Finally, the price. In the United States market, the starting price for the 2026 Honda Legend pickup is expected to be around $32,000 to $35,000 for the base model. Mid-range trims could fall between $38,000 and $45,000, while the fully loaded version with hybrid powertrain and premium features might reach up to $50,000 or more. So, what does this mean overall? The 2026 Honda Legend pickup is aiming to redefine what a pickup truck can be. It's not just about power or utility, it's about combining comfort, technology, efficiency, and reliability into one complete package. If Honda delivers on these expectations, this truck could become a strong competitor against models like the Toyota Tacoma, Ford Ranger, and even some higher-end pickups. And that's everything you need to know about the 2026 Honda Legend pickup, a vehicle that might just change the game in the pickup segment.